Hey everyone, this is Donald with My Crypto Playground. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. We are going to talk about how to import Songbird and Flare Network token prices into Google Sheets. And actually today it's mostly all Songbird tokens that we're going to do. Eventually when Flare adds more tokens to their network, then the same thing will apply. Before we get started, just want to let you guys know none of this is financial advice, blah blah blah. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, I'm just showing you what I'm doing with mine. If you guys like this kind of content, please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on Twitter at @MyCryptoPlayground. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you want to give me some ideas on different kinds of content you want to see, please let me know, comment, or tweet it over to me. Now, let's get started. So if you are like me, and if you wanted to know how much a token was, or what the price of a token was, or is currently, you know what, you'd actually have to come to a DEX like Oracle Swap on Songbird, and then you would have to manually type like 1 Songbird is equal to 12 Oracle, or it's worth, how much is it, like Spark. So 1 Songbird gets you 28 Spark, and then vice versa, where 1 Songbird is worth 0.03, or 1 Spark equals 0.03 Songbird. So you do that over and over again. At least that's what I was doing. So I was trying to figure out a way, like, how do I get this all in Excel or Sheets? Actually, sorry, Google Sheets. And then I figured it out. So thought I'd share it with you guys, because I figured there's more than one person like me out there trying to figure it out. So what I've actually done is the finished product. I'll give you a preview. This is what it looks like right here. So now I can actually see what all my tokens are, and especially these are the ones, because I have these all in. I'm either earning these as rewards like X Ribbits or S Ribbits. I've got them going on in liquidity pools and farms like Oracle or X Oracle Profit. I'm staking Canary Punks NFTs to earn Canary Gold tokens. I've got S4 because I'm delegating to Oracle, Flare Oracle, and so forth and so on. And then a Spark just came out yesterday from the airdrop, and then I'm looking forward to that, being able to use that into a liquidity pool and farm on Pangolin. So this is where I got here. And then, so I've got the price in dollars, price in Songbird, and then how many, and then the swap, in case, just to figure out how many tokens I need, or how many to get 1 Songbird. Yep. That's where we're at. So yeah, let's get started on this. So let's go to, I've got open spreadsheet right here on Sheets. And then the first thing you want to do is also, you want to have 2 windows open. So you want to have Gecko terminal in one, and then you want to have Sheets in the other. And I also recommend that you have CoinMarketCap open as well, and then that's to get the Songbird price. So let's just start off with this one right here. Let's start off with getting the price of Songbird from CoinMarketCap to Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is go here to, I apologize, you guys hear my little puppy in the background. She does not like being alone. So let's go here, let's find Songbird. I can spell it right. Songbird SGB. What you want to do first here is, let's go back to, we're going to jump back and forth all over the place here, guys. So you want to have 1 column, and it's going to have your tokens, and then you have another column B with price. You want to do 3rd column C, and then you want to label that link, and then column D, you want to label that as XPath. So I'll show you guys where you get all these later on. All of this is literally just copy and paste. So to get the price of Songbird, you want to get the link to it first. So let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Here's Songbird right here, and then just go to the address bar, copy. Let's go back and paste. Okay, that's done. Now let's go figure out what XPath is. XPath, you get the XPath link by highlighting the price of Songbird on the page. You want to right click on inspect, and then when you do that, this other window on the right pops up, and then there is one line that is specifically highlighted in blue, And what you want to do is choose that line, right click, you want to choose copy, and then choose copy full XPath. Then go back to your Google Sheet, and then you just want to paste that XPath onto there. So here's where the fun part is. All you literally have to do is then type in this next command, equals import XML, open parenthesis, choose the cell with the link, comma, choose the cell with the XPath, close parenthesis, and then there it is. You are done. And then there is the current price of Songbird. Now, that was pretty easy. Now here's the fun part of this one, and this is where you get all the token prices, and then you can get them all off of Gecko Terminal. And if you guys aren't familiar, Gecko Terminal is a DEX tracker, and it added Songbird probably about a month or two ago, only 2 months ago. So go to geckoterminal.com, and on the search bar, type in also Songbird to look for the network, and then click it there. And what I usually do is you can choose here all DEXs, Oracle Swap, Pangolin Songbird, or Blaze Swap. I choose Oracle Swap right here because it has the most trading pairs out of all the other DEXs right now. And so let's say you want to get the token price for Gokubi GKB. So you want to click that trading pair right there, and then you want to do the same exact thing. So you want to get the link and you want to get the XPath. So to go get the link, what you want to do is just go here to the address bar, copy, switch over, paste to get the XPath, highlight, inspect, find the part that's highlighted in blue, right click, copy full XPath. Let's go back to the sheets and then paste that on there, and then same thing, equals import XML, open parenthesis, choose the cell for link, comma, choose the cell for XPath, close parenthesis. Oop, hang on. And you know what? That was supposed to work. Let's try that again here. And I don't know why that isn't working. Hang on, there it is. Sorry, I don't know what I did there. I think I typed in the wrong thing. C2, D3. Oh well. If sometimes you have that error, what you can just do is copy from the original one that I had right there, or that you have right there. So let's just go through this a few more times because you know what, it might get a little wonky. Let's see, let's look for, get back here to DEX, click out of that, let's go back to Oracle Swap. Let's say you want to find out the token price for Spark, which just airdropped yesterday for us, and actually that price has gone up in the last hours. As you can see here, yeah, actually it's gone up 139% in the last 24 hours. So yeah, let's get that on here. Let's copy the address on the address bar for the token. I said Spark, and then go back over here, let's paste that, and then let's type in SPRK. Let's go to our XPath, highlight the price, right click, inspect, find the blue highlighted portion, right click, copy full XPath. Let's go back here, paste it, and then let's just copy the import XML formula from the previous one at GKB, and then there it is. Now you guys can decide how many decimal places you want to increase, because some of them have more than others. And then yeah, let's go run through one more just for shits and giggles here. I'm actually gonna turn on both here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So let's go back here to Oracle Swap and let's see. What do we got here? sribbits. The sribbits to, and then you always actually remember another thing you want to look into is, or look out for, is make sure that the trading pair is against whatever your token is against, Songbird or Wrap Songbird, because that's your basis and that's like your base for all your pricing. So let's go back here, copy the address, and here sribbits, paste the link, and then go here to the XPath, highlight the token price, inspect, highlight the blue highlighted portion, or choose the blue highlighted portion, right click, copy full XPath, paste, and then drag down your copy from the formula from before, and then there you go. So as you can see, sribbits is right there. So like I said, guys, you can do this all day if you want. You can see mine, I've kind of have it like this so I know exactly what's going on with all my tokens, and at least I don't have to keep going back and forth to the DEX to check prices. So hopefully this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. If not, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.